If you run YouTube ads on your video, does this actually hurt your organic performance? YouTube might say, hey, if this person pays for views, let them pay some more. Is this actually true, or does it help to pay for YouTube ads on your videos? We will take a deeper look into this topic in this video. Hello and welcome to the Tubix YouTube channel. I'm Jan Fassbender from So Geht YouTube, and no, YouTube does not lower the performance of a video that runs ads automatically like I suggested in the beginning of the video. At least not that I know of. But wait, running YouTube ads can still hurt your video's performance, because this topic is more complicated than you might think. The problem is your audience retention. Audience retention is one of the most important ranking factors on YouTube. I've explained more about this topic in this video, but in short, the longer people stay on your video, the better it is and the more YouTube will suggest your video. YouTube ads hurt your audience retention. You can imagine that if someone watches your video as an ad, they will not watch it as long as someone might watch it if they watch it organically. But doesn't YouTube look at the source of a click? Yes, they do, especially when considering if you should rank for a search term. They look at how long your audience retention and how high your click rate is for this specific search term. But your general audience retention also plays a role, your average view duration, no matter from which source someone clicks on your video. This is especially important for suggested videos and other browse features such as YouTube Home. But YouTube ad types play a big role here. Some might be beneficial for your video, some might hurt its performance. If you want to learn more about ad types, definitely check out this video where I explained each and every ad type in detail. In-stream ads are, for example, a very bad idea if you want more people to watch your video. If you put your video in front of other videos, most people will skip after the first 5 seconds. This is because your video is not made for being an ad. Just imagine clicking on a YouTube video and another YouTube video plays instead in front of your video. You will probably skip it. And this is why in-stream ads will get your video very bad audience retentions. YouTube discovery ads are way better for your video's performance. You will rank under a specific search term on top of the other videos. But there's one big problem. You still need to be clicked. It doesn't help you to rank on top, you actually need to get clicks. And if you have a bad title and thumbnail, you won't get any clicks if you place an ad. But if you have a great thumbnail, a great title, you will probably rank high anyway, so YouTube discovery ads can only help you so far. And this is the general rule for growing your channel with YouTube ads. You cannot force a bad channel to grow with YouTube ads. You can only make a good channel grow faster. If viewers don't like your content, they won't watch it. And if you put more eyes on this content, it's not going to help. Instead, make better videos that add value. Try until you start to grow organically, and only then boost this growth with YouTube ads. The best way to grow your audience with YouTube ads is to place a trailer video for your channel, an actual advertisement that promotes why people should look at your channel. This will not hurt your individual videos. This will only hurt the audience retention of this channel trailer, and it's not supposed to rank organically anyways. In fact, YouTube ads can help your channel a lot if you use them as such, as ads. I hope this video helped you and you now know how to place YouTube ads properly. That's it from me. Bye, your Jan.